What's great about Landmark at Heartland RV is it was actually Heartland's original product. In 2003, they launched the entire company, what is today $1 billion plus company, with one luxury fifth wheel brand, and it's evolved into now what we consider a resort vehicle, a full-timer's coach. It's the vessel that people take on their giant adventures of life. What I love most about Landmark is that we've built all these incredible standard features into the coach. Just standing in here, you see 100% hardwood cabinetry, styles, window trim, slide-out fascia. You see 3 air conditioners in the ceiling, 45,000 BTUs of standard AC. You see vinyl furniture, custom built for Landmark. The Landmark floor plan lineup is very robust, and the bigger the better seems to be what our customers desire. We build floor plans from our bath and a half Newport with 3 slides up to our 5-slide front living room Lafayette. What I love best about the design team and how we build these and design them are the subtle accents. We want to create an RV that when a future owner walks into, they fall in love with it, but they don't really know why. And I think that's when our design team did their best job.
We came out with new wood colors, and I love the decor. It's a high contrast look, 2-tone unit. It's been received very well, and it's exciting. It's a complete change from where it was before.
As an avid RVer myself, I love nothing more than to pull my RV with my family into a resort and see a Landmark. I'm proud of that, and I know that myself and our product development team has truly built something that somebody is using and enjoying and living in, and it's very fulfilling to be part of such a great team internally that can produce such a great end result.